Good morning, children. Children, today we'll continue with our chapter number 1, numbers up to 200. And today we are going to solve some exercises from our textbook. And you can also solve it after you observe my video carefully. Remember that you do work very neatly, no untidy work at all. Okay, now this is already taught to you in class 1, but still we will go back, revise, and then we will solve it. Okay, now children, I have in my last few classes I have told you that when you see a small square, it is ones. When you see a rectangle, this represents a tens, and when you see a big square, I don't know whether I'll be, this is 100, this is 100. Okay, so you need to remember these three things, children, because with the help of these only you will be able to understand building numbers further. Fine. Okay, now we need to match. Now the first one has been done for us. It is, you see, you can see two rectangles, that means two tens and three loose ones. Okay, so 20 plus 3 is 23, and we have matched it to the number 23 and then to the number name 23. Okay, now we do the next one. So how many tens are there? Let us count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. There are 7 ones, and then we have how many, 7 tens. 7 tens means what? 70. Okay, that should come in your mind immediately. Then after that we have 4 ones, if you count them properly. Okay, so 7 tens plus 4 ones is 74. So this will go, okay, so sorry, okay, this will go to 74, then it will come to the spelling 74. Okay, hope it is clear. Okay, then next, now see over here, how many tens? 1 2 3. 3 tens, 3 tens, and if you count the ones, they are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 ones. Okay, so 3 tens and 9 ones means 3 tens means 30 and 9 ones means 9, so 39. So here it goes to 39. Okay, we will try to do very clear matching so that nobody is confused. Okay, now the next one. Now the next one, how many tens, children? Count. 1 2. You count in your mind, I am counting in my mind. Okay, 8 tens and only 1 ones. Okay, 8 tens and only 1 one. So here it goes to 81, and then here is the number name for 81. Okay, 81. Fine, that's it. Now write the numbers before, after, or between. So you have to know your numbers. If you do not know your numbers, you have to practice saying them. So if suppose if you don't know, then what are you going to do? You are going to revise it like this. Like you have to read this number 59. So what comes after 59? You can start saying from 51, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Now there is a dash, there is a blank behind 59. So I am going to write 60 over here. Okay, now but over here you see there is a dash before the number, so I am going to go one number back. Okay, what will come before 81? Okay, so before 81 we have to remember that 80 comes before 81. Fine, then this is a between number, 67 dash 69. So it will be 68. Okay, now in each group, color the car with the greatest number. Now see, this is one group, children. This is one group, okay. Color the car with the greatest number red and the smallest number in blue. Okay, so what we are going to do is, we are not going to color it. I am just going to tick it with red and blue if I have those options with me right now. Okay, so first let us read the number. This is 83, this is 85, then here it is 81, and then here it is 80. Okay, so which is the biggest number, greatest number? Greatest number says 85. Okay, so greatest number is to be colored in red, na? It is saying red. So 85. Okay, and then smallest number in blue. So 80 is the smallest number. Okay, see if this helps. Okay, but you can color because you have your color pencils and your textbook properly with you. Okay, fine. Now similarly, the next one. This is one group. Okay, children. Now the greatest number in red. So let us take out a red color. 21, 25, 52, 23. So we have 52 is the greatest number, and the smallest number in blue, that is 21. Okay, done. Now let us go to the next page. Fine. Now children, this page again the same thing. When we see a big square, we say it is 100. When we see one very small square, it is ones. And when we have a rectangular strip, it is a strip of 10. Okay, so here it says Raghu sells stamps in the neighborhood post office. This is one stamp. This is a strip of 10. Now see, this is one stamp. Now here, this is how Raghu counts stamps that are more than 100. Okay, now this is a strip of 100, children. This is a strip of 100. Okay, so this means it is 100. It means this is 100. Now he has only single one over here, so that means he has ones, isn't it? So what he does is, he writes 100. Fine. And then I told you 0 is in the tens place, as there are no one, 0 is in the tens place, as there are no tens, है ना? Why? Because you cannot see any strip over here, as there are no tens. Can we see any rectangle over here? No, there are no tens. Okay, so what we need to do is, we need to write 100, and then in ones place, okay, in ones place we write 1. So this becomes 101. Okay, so we write 101 and we say 101. Fine. Now let us take the next one. Now when we have a square, okay, when we have this square, so this means 100. When we have two strips, see, one strip and then second strip, it means they are 20. So we have tens over here, isn't it? Now do we have any loose ones over here? No. So we will write 0 over there. Now you see there's 100 over here and two tens, isn't it? So we will write 100. Now two tens means what? How many tens? We have two tens. So we will write 2 over there and 0 in ones place. Why? Because there are no loose ones. Since there are no loose ones, we will write 0 over here in ones place. Okay, so how many hundreds? Only one. I have written 1 over here. How many tens? You can see two tens over here. Yes, So I've written 2 over here. How many ones? No ones, 0 ones. So 0 is written. So we have built a number 120. Okay. Now the same way, when we have all together, when we have hundreds also, tens also, and ones also. So how many hundreds? We can see over here 100. Then how many ones? Okay, now here you can see that you have only 100s. So 100. Then how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 tens means 1 tens means 10, 2 tens means 20, 3 tens means 30, 4 tens means 40. We have written 40 over here. Okay. Now the loose ones. How many ones are there? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 ones. So now what am I going to do over here is, here when I go, I write ones, that means O, extreme right, then tens, and then hundreds. So I start with 100. How many 100? 1. So I go in hundreds place and I write 1. I write only number 1. I don't write 100. Okay, I write only 1 over here. Then how many tens? 4 tens. How many tens? 4 tens. So I go to tens place and I write only 4 over here. Then how many ones? I see check over here and I write over here 5. So now I have built a number that is 145. Okay, fine. Now let us go to the next page, children. Children, you have to go through the textbook also. Okay. Read these statements loudly. I am reading it for you, children. The tallest building in the world is Burj Khalifa in Dubai. It has 163 floors. Please do not read it as 163. You should read it as 163 or 163. Both the ways are correct. There are 166 moons in our solar system. The oldest person in the world was in France and lived for 122 years. Okay. Now, let us learn how to read the numbers. To read a 3-digit number, first read the hundreds place. Then read the tens place together. Tens and ones place together. Okay. Like 1. Now this is, suppose I'm reading it as 180. Okay. So what I'm going to read in hundreds place? How many hundreds are there? Only 1. So I will say 100 and the last 2 digits will be read together. 180. Or I can also say 180. Both the ways are correct. Now let us come to this. How many hundreds over here? 1. So I will say 100. And last 2 digits means 8. So 108. Okay. Then the next one. Then the next one is 147. So how many hundreds? Only 1. Only 1. Okay. Then, so I will read it as 100. Last 2 digits make 47. Don't say 40. It's not 40. It's 47. So we will read it as 147. Okay. Now we have this. Okay. Say the numbers aloud as you write them. So how many hundreds? 1. Isn't it? 100. How many tens? 1 tens. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. So here it is written 114. Okay. Now how many hundreds over here? 1. How many tens? Here 1, 2, 3. How many ones? Nothing. 0. So we are going to write, 1 second, hai na? So we will write over here 100, 3 tens and 0 ones. Now similarly over here, how many hundreds? 1. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 tens and 3 ones. Okay. So 1 hundreds, 5 tens. 1 second. Hai na? And 3 ones. Yes. Okay. Now the next one. It is 1 hundreds and 1 hundreds. How many tens? No tens. 0 tens. And how many ones? 9 ones. Okay. Now here over here 100, 200. So in hundreds place I'm going to write 2. But how many tens? 0. How many ones? 0. Okay. Clear with this exercise, children? Okay. Now let us go to the next page. Next page is again a revision of standard 1. Okay. Now here, children, you will say the numbers and write them in the box. Okay. 101. Sorry. Here it is written 101, then 102, 103. Like that you keep on saying and start writing. Okay. 103. After 103 it is 104, 105. Then after that 106, 107, 108. Like that you will complete this entire box. Okay, but keep on saying. Remember, you have to keep on saying. So like this you will be writing your numbers. Okay, so you will finish your this box till 200. Okay, now after this we have the next question. Now here it says use the table in question 3 for writing these answers. Okay, now complete the pattern. Now what we have to do is, you can see the above table and do it, or else we should try to understand the pattern also, like 110, 120, 130. Now it is increasing by 10 if you see. Okay, so 140, then comes 150, then 160, then 170. Now give the number that comes after. So what you have to do, you have to say the numbers and then write the next number. Okay, like if you want to start, you can start like this also. This is 117. Okay, so you start saying 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118. Like this you can do this also. Okay, or else you can take that above table in which we have written numbers up to 200. That also you can do it. Okay, no problem. Now give the number that comes before. Again you can use the above numbers up to 100 and you can fill in these. Okay, the number that comes 104, 105. Now see what will come before 5. You can go, backward counting. Okay, 5, 4. Yes, so after 100, before 105 you will get 104. Children, I am not solving all the sums because you have to solve the remaining ones on your own. Okay, they are very easy, so you can very easily do them. Now the next question says color all the boxes where the digit in ones place. Okay, this I am going to teach little later. In ones place is more than the digit in the tens place. Okay, fine. This we will do later on. Fine. Now next. Now here. Now give the numeral. Numeral means what, children? You have to give the number. You have to write the number for the following. Okay, 140. So you have to read the spelling and write the number. 121. So I'm going to write, okay, 121. Okay, next 107. Only 7, that means there is no tens. So 107. Okay, 137. 137. Then 119. Why I am taking a long E? Because it is 19, not 90. 119. Okay, 110. 110. Okay, so this is till page number 10. Okay, now we will try to do question number D. Okay. Okay, now the question D says color all the boxes where the digit in ones place is only one number more. एक ही number ज़्यादा रहना चाहिए. The digit in the tens place. Okay, now let us see this. What does that mean actually? It means that the number in the ones place should be only one number more. That means now suppose if I take 101, is it not one number more than the digit in the tens place? Yes. So I'm going to color 101. Okay, then similarly if I take 102, it will be wrong. Why? Because it is two number more than 0. So I will not go further in this line. Okay, I am not going to go in this line. Okay, so I will take 101. I will color this box. Then after that you need to keep on checking. Okay, now after that it will be 112. After that 112. Why 112, children? It will first will be 101. Then after that it will be 112. Why 112? Oh, why? Because it is only one. Now the digit in the tens place is 1, but the digit in the ones place is only one number more, isn't it? एक ही number बड़ा है वो 1 से, that means it is 2. Okay, now the same thing. Now the next is what? 123. If I take 123, now if I say 2 and after if I add 1 to 2 is 3, so this will be the third number that I'm going to color. Okay, so I'm going to color 112, 123. Okay, then like that 134, 145, 156, 167. This I will make you understand more in the live class, don't worry. 178 and 189. Only these are the numbers that need to be colored, only these boxes. Okay, so that's all for today, children. The video is little long, but we need to do it. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye bye.